Watch this video for the hottest and latest story make you know wetin dey happen for world. Na Pidgin Tori Global be this, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter today gist. US President Donald Trump don fire Elon Musk again, say the tech billionaire don lose im mind. Dis one na after dem two clash for public on Thursday. Trump tell newsmen say e no dey ready to talk to Trump now, even though reports bin talk say dem go later talk for phone. Wahala start after Trump talk say e dey disappointed with Musk as e bash one of im big spending bills. Musk no waste time. E clap back say Trump dey show ingratitude considering how im companies like Tesla, SpaceX and Starlink dey benefit US government contracts, whereas on that same Thursday, Musk bin wan threa ten say e go remove one key SpaceX spacecraft wey dey help US astronauts, but e later calm down and cancel the threat. For now, both men still dey para, and Trump say make nobody mention Musk to am yet. United States dey prepare to host two biggest sports events for the world: 2026 FIFA World Cup and 2028 Olympic Games. Normally, this kind event dey bring plenty visitors from different countries come enjoy and participate. But now, President Donald Trump don bring new travel ban wey go stop people from 12 countries totally and put restrictions for 7 others. Im talk say na to protect US from security threats. People dey worry say dis ban fit scatter plans for the sport events, especially athletes and fans wey dey come from affected countries. But organizers of Los Angeles 2028 Olympics don come out talk say dem no dey worry. According to Cassie Weisserman, LA28 chair, the federal government don show say Olympics and World Cup people go get special consideration. Weisserman talk say government understand say dis events na international matter, so dem go make space for the athletes and sports delegates. So for now, organizers get full confidence say the ban no go spoil their plans. Family wey dey plan to waka go holiday or visit people abroad this summer, make dem watch out because measles cases don rise well for Europe and other places. For Europe, measles dey reach 25-year high, and places like Pakistan and Nigeria dey see plenty cases too. For UK, many people never finish their measles, mumps and rubella (MMR) vaccine. London get the worst rate. Only about 73% people vaccinate instead of the correct 95%. UK Health Security Agency (UKSA) dey warn people to make sure say dem get all their vaccines sharp. E no late at all to do am. For England, measles outbreaks still dey go on with 109 cases for April and 86 for May, mostly among unvaccinated pikin wey be 10 years old and below. London get almost half of these cases for the last 4 weeks. Dr. Vanessa Sabila from UKSA talk say the increase for England na the same as for abroad, and that one cause worry as summer holiday dey start. She advised parents to check say all their family get 2 MMR vaccine doses before dem travel. Measles dey spread fast and fit cause bad sickness like ear infection, chest infections or brain wahala, and some pikin fit end up hospital or suffer forever. Countries like France, Italy, Spain and Germany wey UK people dey visit get outbreaks too. WHO talk say Romania, Pakistan, India, Thailand, Indonesia and Nigeria get plenty measles cases for now. Tori wey reach news agency talk say David Beckham go soon collect Knighthood for King Charles' birthday honors. Beckham, wey don clock 50, bin already get OBE for 2003, but now dem wan give am one bigger honor because of wetin e don do for football and British society. The list of people wey go collect honor go drop next week. Beckham na former England captain and e play for clubs like Manchester United, Real Madrid, LA Galaxy, PSG and AC Milan before he retire for 2013. Dem say dem first nominate am for knighthood since 2011, but e no work out that time. For 2017, some British papers leak email wey show say Beckham vex for the honors committee, but im people talk say na hacked and edited email, say e no mean am like that. Beckham marry Victoria Beckham, former Spice Girl for 1999, and dem get 4 pikin: Brooklyn, Romeo, Cruz, and Harper 7. Apart from football, Beckham help London get 2012 Olympics, and e don be UNICEF ambassador since 2005. Dem even open David Beckham UNICEF Fund for 2015. Just this year, e join the King's Foundation as ambassador to support young people learn about nature and education. Government never confirm the honor officially. Beckham team too no talk anything. But if everything go as planned, the ex-football star fit soon become Sir David Beckham. Russia don fire heavy missile and drone strikes early Friday wey scatter Ukraine, especially Kyiv, Luhansk, and Interpol region. President Zelensky talk say at least 3 people don die and 49 injure for the attack. Na emergency workers be the ones wey die. E still talk say dem use over 400 drones and more than 40 missiles, and e fear say the number of injured people fit still increase. Russia Defense Ministry talk say the attack na revenge for wetin dem call terrorist act by Kyiv region, and say na military targets dem go for. Dis bombardment show face just after Putin warn say Russia go retaliate Ukraine own drone strike on Russia airbase. For Kyiv, Mayor Vitaly Klitschko talk say 4 people bin die and shelling don scatter residential area plus damage metro track. Many civilians spend the night for underground shelter as machine gun fire and loud explosion full the air. Zelensky come cry give the world, especially America and Europe, say make dem put pressure on Russia now. He shade Trump small, say anybody wey no wan help stop the war dey support the killing by silence. The tori still dey unfold, but tension don high for Ukraine side. Israeli army don finally admit say na dem launch one strike wey hit Al-Mawasi area for southern Gaza on Sunday wey kill 1 Palestinian and wound 30 others. The news media catch the matter after dem review video wey show the strike, even though Israel no announce am before. Na when reporters question dem come confess say na technical and operational error cause the wahala. IDF talk say dem bin aim one target, but artillery misroad come jam the Mawasi area wey dey Khan Younis, where displaced people dey stay inside tent. Video from the scene show plenty blood and people dey scream. Women and pikin dey run as ambulance rush come carry the people wey wound go hospital. Dem even match some people wey dey inside video with those wey reach hospital later. The blast first confuse people as dem think say na the one wey happen near the aid distribution center for Rafah, where 31 people die, according to Hamas-run civil defense. This kind admission no dey happen well. News agencies say since the Gaza war start for October 2023, IDF don only admit mistake like this 4 times. North Korea don finally refloat one 5,000-ton destroyer warship wey sink inside water almost 2 weeks ago during one failed launch. According to KCNA, dem talk say the ship don enter water well and e dey moored for pier now. The ship go soon repair finish before one important meeting wey Kim Jong-un go host with him top government people. Satellite images wey news agencies share show say the ship don stand well again for harbor. Researchers talk say the whole refloat process na manual labor. Workers use rope and balloon technology to balance the ship. Dem still see some of the balloons wey dem take float the vessel still tied to am. Kim bin vex well when the ship capsize. He called the failed launch criminal act wey disgrace the country and damage their pride. He blame her on carelessness, irresponsibility, and unscientific method. Because of the gbege, 4 top officials, including Ri Yong-sun, don enter wahala. Dem don arrest them. Ri na big oga for the ruling Workers' Party and he dey inside the team wey dey run the Korean People's Army. As e be so, nobody sabi the exact punishment dem go face, but North Korea sabi dish out hard labor or even death sentence wey dem vex. Experts believe say Kim reaction mean say North Korea no dey slow down at all with their military plans. India Prime Minister Narendra Modi don officially open the world highest single-arc railway bridge wey dey India-controlled Kashmir. This kind bridge get one big arc wey stretch from one side to the other. This bridge go connect Kashmir Valley with the rest of India by train for the very first time. The big project built for top Chenab River. E tall pass Eiffel Tower by 35 meters. Indian Railways don spend over 20 years to complete am. Dis bridge na part of 272 kilometers railway line wey go through Jammu reach all the way to Kashmir Valley. Train service scatter after one commercial boat jam King's Ferry Bridge wey connect Isle of Sheppey and Kent mainland. Network Rail tok say dem get alert around 8:15 BST say the boat jam the bridge. Southeastern train pipo stop Sheerness on Sea line because of the matter, but by 10 a.m. dem tok say normal service go soon resume. Train delay reach 25 minutes for route between Sittingbourne and Sheerness. Network Rail say dem hold the bridge for raised position to check am, but dem tok say bridge safe, make dem open am back. Dem thank passengers for their patience. Kent police officers come the scene to investigate and talk with the boat captain. Kent Fire and Rescue no get call for the case. Zambia former president Edgar Lungu don die for age 68, na im party Patriotic Front PF talk am. Dem say Lungu dey get special treatment for South Africa because of illness, but dem no talk wetin exactly dey worry am. Lungu rule Zambia from 2015 to 2021. After e lose election to Hakainde Hichilema sharply, e waka comot for politics small, but later try to come again. Last year, court talk say e no fit run for president again because e don serve 2 terms, the maximum wey law allow. Even though court disqualify am, Lungu still dey important for Zambia politics and no dey shy to criticize im successor. Lungu daughter Tarsila say im die for clinic for Pretoria, South Africa on Thursday morning. She talk say for this hard time, make everybody remember one Zambia, one nation spirit wey guide Lungu. Lungu daughter Tarsila say he die for clinic for Pretoria, South Africa on Thursday morning. She talk say for this hard time, make everybody remember one Zambia, one nation spirit wey guide Lungu. President Hichilema talk say make everybody gather together, forget politics and respect the man wey once lead the country. South Africa President Cyril Ramaphosa talk say e be privilege to care for Lungu as brother and friend. Kenya President William Ruto describe Lungu as progressive leader wey serve Zambia well. And the last one for today, Ghana former finance minister Ken Ofori-Atta don land for Interpol red notice list. Dem accuse am say e use im government work take do personal business. Ghana prosecutors talk say dem dey find am as fugitive because e no dey inside the country and e get connection with plenty corruption matter wey e still dey government. Red notice no be arrest warrant, na way to tell police for all over the world make dem hold person till dem fit send am back to Ghana. Ofori-Atta, wey dey abroad for medical reasons, never talk anything about the matter, but he complain say dem dey treat am wrongly. Dem accuse am say e cause big money loss for Ghana, especially for how dem spend $58 million for National Cathedral wey still just dey whole for ground. Im lawyers wan defend am, but prosecutors talk say dem no fit answer criminal charges for am. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.